What's going on, everybody? A little update again. Started the disassembly of the engine here. Got the head over there. Every single exhaust bolt came out. Didn't break. So, awesome on that one. So, this engine has, it's like 202,000 miles on it. Cleans up really, really well. I'm going to go and get the block and a parts washer once I get it all disassembled here. But I don't know if you can see. But 202 or 4, whatever thousand miles it is, it still has. It's a little shiny in there, which is to be expected. But the crosshatch on all the cylinders, even, I don't know if, yeah, there we go. Even cylinder 6, which is the last to get oil, still has crosshatch on it after 200,000 miles. I got really lucky though. I pulled out aftermarket Hamilton push rods, the, what do you call them things? A beehive valve springs there. I think they're 150s or 103 pound. I don't know what they are. I'd have to look. There should be a part number on them, so be over there to get them. But it cleaned up really freaking well. I don't know if you guys remember the first whatchamacallit there, the video I had, and it was very, very scary, but very rusty. But it was all surface rust from sitting, I guess. But like I said, I wanted to get all the oil and gunk off of it and check for cracks, and it cleaned up really freaking well. I was surprised. Head is just completely filthy. How this thing ran, I don't know. That just goes to show these 12 valves, you just can't freaking kill them. But anyways, yeah, I pulled out the push rods, and I was expecting to find factory, but I was looking at the gear case, and the gear case had been removed. The pin actually came out, so they replaced that and the gears and whatnot, and it has a adjustable timing gear in there. I got really lucky. I mean, $500, and I got an adjustable timing gear for the pump, a Hamilton cam, Hamilton push rods, probably the valve springs from Hamilton too. All in all, I mean, it turned over really great. Ran, but $500, you can't kill it. All right, you can't kill it. I mean, I could probably kill it, but you can't beat it. So anyways, that's a little update on what I'm doing so far. So far, it's been going great. Haven't broken a bolt. Well, actually, that's a lie. All 4 of these for the AC. Yep. The ones that I didn't think would break ended up breaking. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to figure out how to get them out. But other than that, and all the other bolts, they came right out. So I was shocked. The ones that didn't break, I thought would break, and the ones that broke, I didn't think would break. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching again. Stay tuned.